Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hi, what's up, bro? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about Homelabs, but we are not talking about expensive Dell Power Edge server or hing and custom PC. Yeah, yeah, I want to show you this small amazing box right here. Yeah. mm, PCB boards. Yeah. Right this right here. Yeah. This is an all Android TV box with a B X 60H. Yeah, powered by Amlogic S C S uh, uh, 905X2 chipset. Yeah, most people use this to watch YouTube or streaming movies on their old TV. But in this video, I'm going to show you how Tornet this exact 511 $511 yeah, device into $7 yeah, device into full function and low power Linux server inside my home lab network. If you want to build a budget home lab without destroying your electricity bill, yeah, you definitely need to see what this tiny thing can do. Let's dive in. Yeah. First, let's break down the hardware and talk about why this specific version S905X2 is such a hidden games for homeless beginners. Inside this casing, uh, yeah, inside this case, inside this casing, we have quad core ARM Cortex A53 processor running on the S905X2 is, yeah, X2 chipset. My unit here comments with 2 gigabits of RAM and 8 gigabit of internal eMMC to storage. Now you might make think 2 gigabit of RAM, yeah, just nothing. But wait until we talk about Linux optimizer later. If we look at the I/O ports on the inside this where it gets interesting for network. Yeah, for network. We have a micro SD card slot. Yeah. Okay, guys. Which use the boot up the OS. But I use to boot up the OS, yeah, will have two USB ports, and one of them is USB 2.0 port, yeah. This is partial, bro. Um, yeah, this is partial, bro, because yeah, you want to attach external storage like here speed SSD or gigabit USB to LAN adapter for extract network that attach USB to point zero bandwidth match image difference, and of course we have native Ethernet port on the back, yeah. It's a limit to 100 Mbps out the box. Yeah, and the PCB STB. But for like white server text, it gets the job done surprisingly well. Yeah. Um. Yeah. So how do actually turn into server UI on Android compatibility and Flash Linux distribution like Armbrian OS or Debian Ace might from and chips, yeah. Right now, this book is running compatibility and handles and no GUI full Charlie terminal, no display connected, just pure Linux command line. Yeah. I manage everything over SSH for my laptop. Yeah. My laptop. Mm, yeah, my laptop. Yeah. Mm, okay. Yeah. And because Linux install like when my sister and only in the around 1,100, yeah, 100, 1,000, 1,000, yeah, 100, yeah. Okay, so one 50 megabytes of RAM used that lifeline of room for application. To minimize this 2 gigabit of RAM, I installed Docker and point for Docker on container. Using Docker container allow me to run multiple isolate service simulation with good uh, without overheat. It's efficient, clean, and perfect for learning containerization. Yeah. I'm using web UI casual as manageable application software and container with casual OS. Yeah, you will be amazing by one $1 yeah box can actually house. Let me con watch currently running my on my VH6 0H server right now. Behold, Edward Home, Behold or Edward Home. It attacks us network wide at local and local DNS server. Every single device in house router its DNS traffic toward this Trinity's STB, blocking thousand of trackers every day. Yeah, mixed proxy manager. Yeah. And two, needs proxy management manager. I use this to manage my local server refers proxy allow me to access my home service using nice customized domain names instead of easy IP address and port numbers. Up to and three, uh, uptime Kuma. I monitoring tool with other network device and our me Telegram with routers access point to point go to down and automated Telegram bot. I have an some custom Python script and automation routing bot here, yeah. And the absolute best part for consus yeah. This the entry setup draw and only about 3 and 2 watts under load, yeah. You can live this running 3 6 5 dice a year and will cost yeah will cost you literally pen penny yeah to for it it's completely below traditional power hungry enterprise server out of the water of basically until tax yeah. Yeah, first let's be realistic, bro. This is setup does have limitation. First, the 2 gigabit RAM means you cannot host heavy enterprise application complex virtualization stuff like needs proximal or heavy database. Second, flashing Embryon on TV box something requires a bit troubleshooting with Divine 3 DTB files. So I not exactly a plug and play experience for absolute text winner, but for my finally verdict, yeah. If you are student, a network engineer, junior, or just a tech enthusiast, look at to logging to learning Linux, Docker, and network without spending a fortune, yeah, retailing and out B H60H C S 9 on 05X2 is an absolute no-brainer. uh, it's cheap, silent, for efficient, and incredibly reward to building. What do you think, bro? Yeah. We ready to hunt for cheap second-hand STB to start your family journey, or do you prefer sticky to traditional hardware? Let me know in the comment below. it if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, share with your online communities, and subscribe for network and start posting content. My out you and the next video and peace. Thank you. Bye.